Hello kids, a very good morning. Welcome to Playology online session. My name is Rinku teacher. Today we'll say thank you to God. Okay. Thank you God for the world so sweet. Thank you God for the food we eat. Thank you God for the birds that sing. Thank you God for everything. Okay, let's start with a warm up. Will you follow my instruction? Okay, let's start. Tap your shoulder, tap, 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 tap. Tap your head, tap, 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 tap. Tap your cheeks, tap, 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 tap. Tap your hands, tap, 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 tap. Stop. Now relax. Let's start with a prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. We'll say Om 3 times. Om. Now we'll say Guru Brahma prayer. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Now we say the Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tassavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yona Prachodaya. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tassavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yona Prachodaya. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tassavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yona Prachodaya. Now we'll remember Lord Ganesha in our prayer. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Devo Sarvakareshu Sarvada. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Devo Sarvakareshu Sarvada. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Devo Sarvakareshu Sarvada.
Everyone, do you all know me? No, let me introduce myself to you all. My name is Neelam and I am going to be your teacher. So, you all can call me Neelam teacher. Can I hear it once? Neelam teacher. And do you all know what are we going to learn? We all will be learning different concepts every week. And it is going to be so much fun together. Together, we will learn so many things. Are you all excited? Yes. And do you all know what are we going to learn today? We all are going to learn the topic, my senses. Do you all know what are senses? No. But before beginning the topic, let me ask you a few questions. Can you all name your body parts? Yes, let's do it together. Head, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, lips, teeth, tongue, shoulders, hands, fingers, chest, stomach, legs, feet. These body parts helps us to function our body properly. Without these body parts, we wouldn't be able to walk. Can you imagine you writing without hands? Is it possible? No, you cannot write without your hands. You cannot walk without your legs. You cannot talk without your mouth. So, all these parts are very important. Same way, our senses are also very important. They help us to observe and understand things around us. Our senses sends messages to our brains. What is a brain? Our brain is the organ which is inside our head. And the brain then stores the messages in the form of memory. Do you all want to see the senses now? Yes. How many senses do we have? Can you guess? Can you guess? 3, 2, 1, 4, 5. 5 senses. We have 5 senses, out of which 4 of them are on our face. Now, do you all want to see the senses? Let us see our first sense. What are these? These are our eyes. Yes, right. They are our eyes. How many eyes do we have? 2 eyes. 1, 2. And what does our eye do? Our eyes helps us to see everything that is around us. Can you imagine if you do not have eyes, how will you see everything? Now, I want you all to close your eyes. Are you able to see anything? No. Why? Because your eyes are closed and your sense now is not working. Now, can you open your eyes? Yes. Are you able to see? Yes. It is because your eye is helping you to see. Eyes helps us to see all the colors, shapes, our family members and everything we do. Sight is our most precious sense. We use our eyes in almost everything we do. Eyes are a very important part of our body and a very important sense. So please take care of your eyes. Do not watch too much of TV and mobiles. Now let's see our second sense. What is this? Nose. And do you know what does a nose do? Nose helps us to smell different things around us. When Mama cooks yummy food, you can smell it. And when Papa sprays a deodorant in your room, can you smell it? Yes, it is because our nose helps us to do. Our nose helps us to smell different things around us. Now, can we see another organ? Now, can we see a third sense? Ears. what is this? Ear. And how many ears do we have? 2 ears. And do you know what does a ear do? Our ears helps us to listen, to hear things. Can you hear me talking now? Yes, it is because of your ears. Your sense of ear is helping you to listen things. Now, let's see our 4th sense. What is this? Tongue. Can you show me your tongue? Very nice. And what does our tongue do? Our tongue tastes yummy, yummy food. Our tongue tastes yummy, yummy, yummy food that Mama cooks. And tongue has a respirator that tells you the taste. And we can taste different things like bitter, sour, salty and sweet. Do you know how does a chocolate taste? Sweet, yes. And how do you know? Because your tongue tasted it before, now it's saved in your memory, and that is why you know that chocolates are sweet. Your tongue helps you to taste different things. Now, let's do our last sense, which is the 5th sense. Our 5th sense is the biggest organ in our body. What is that? Can you all guess? What is the biggest organ in our body? Skin. Our skin is the biggest organ in our body. It helps you to touch and feel different things around you. Our skin is there from our head to toes. It is everywhere on your face, hands, legs, head, everywhere. And because of our skin, we can feel cold things and hot things. If I put my hand in a hot water, how will I feel? Hot, hot. It is because my skin allows me to feel when it is hot or cold. Yes. Now, can you all tell me the 5 senses? Sight, smell, listen, taste, skin. Yes, right. Very good, everyone. Now, let's do a game. Now, let's begin with the game. What is this? This is a square. And what color is it? Yellow in color. But how do you know that this is yellow in color? Because your sight helped you to see. Your sense of sight helped you to see the color and the shape. Now, close your eyes, everyone. Yes, open your eyes. What do you see? Is it the same shape? Is it the same color? No, it is not the same shape and not the same color. But how do you know that? Because your brain saved the image of the first shape and stored it in the memory. And that is why you know it that these two shapes are different. Yes, and your sense of sight is helping you a lot to do that. Now, let's see another thing. Look, what do I have in my hand? Now, which sense will I be using? Guess? Yes, no, I will be using my sense of smell to smell this deodorant. Nice fragrance. Excellent, everyone. Now let's see another object. Now look, what do I have? This is a lemon and I'm going to squeeze a few drops in my mouth. It is very sour. And how did I get to know that? Because my sense of taste helped me to do that. My tongue helps me to let me know the taste, whether it is sour or bitter. And it is very sour. Even you try it. What do I have in my hand? It's a soft toy and it's a dog and he's so soft. He's so soft. But how do I know that? Because my skin can feel him and I can feel that he's very soft. My skin can touch and feel that it is very soft. Even you try it with your soft toy and tell me whether it is soft or rough. Can you hear something? Yes, it is a sound of a doorbell. But how do we know that? Because we've heard it earlier and it is there in our brain, and that is why we got to know that it is the sound of a bell, and our ears helped us to listen to the sound. Excellent, everyone. Now let me tell you some facts. Do you know, to taste food we require two senses, nose and taste. Yes, we require our nose too. Do you know, if our sense of nose is not working properly, the taste of the food won't be nice. For example, if you shut your nose, you cannot taste the food properly. And that is why sometimes when you are sick and your nose is blocked, you cannot taste the food properly. Yes, right. And do you know, not all people have senses which are working. Some are blind because the sense of sight is not working. Some are deaf because the sense of ear is not working. So, we must use all our senses nicely and carefully. Now, let's do a fun activity. I will be showing you some objects and you need to answer me for which sense do they work. A rainbow. What will you need to see a rainbow? Eyes, right. Now next, what do we have? A donut. Which sense will you use? Tongue. Very good. Now what do we have next? A drum. How will you listen to the sound of a drum? With our ears. Excellent. Now what do we have? A teddy bear. What will you use? Your skin to feel it. What is that? A flower. What sense will you use now? Sense of smell. Yes, sense of smell. To take the fragrance. Very good. Now, let's sing a song on my five senses. My eyes can see the bright sun. My nose can smell the hot cinnamon buns. My ears can hear the loud drum. My tongue can taste good things. Yum, yum, yum. My hands can feel the sand. What fun! I like my senses, everyone. Yay! Good job. Now, I'm going to display a picture over here and you need to tell me which sense matches what object. Yes, let's do it. Come on everyone, fast! Great! Very good everyone. So today we learnt about our senses. We learnt about our senses. And can you all tell me how many senses do we have? 5 senses. Can you name them once for me? Sight, smell, hear, taste, touch. Very good. Now it's time for me to go. Bye everyone. I hope you all had fun. Bye bye. Lots of love, hugs and kisses. Bye.